welcome back to What a Hit Hockey Cards, and today we have part 3 of MVP Hockey Hobby Box. So yeah, today we'll be cracking into our final hobby box of 21-22 MVP Hockey. My overall thoughts on MVP through 2 boxes. Pretty solid product. Nothing earth-shattering that I've gotten so far, but some decent pulls, and still a chance for a Magenta Auto, 1 in 400 packs. Or Rookie Redemption, which is also 1 in 400, and the number 1 draft pick is 1 in 1,250, and the gold parallel is 1 in 12,500. So if we can get one of those, I would call this little mini case here a success. All right, let's get going. Okay, first pack. Connor McDavid, high series. The William Nylander, MVP watch. And the Dominic Kubalik Ice Battles. A Jeremy Swayman MVP watch. And a Philip Forsberg Ice Battles. Okay, we got an MVP checklist. Alex Ovechkin. Got one of these in one of the earlier boxes. Got a high series of Jake Guentzel. And an MVP watch of Nuge, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. And Ice Battles of Roope Hintz. A silver script of Kyle Connor. And an Ice Battles of Josh Bailey. Our first rookies of Wyatt Kalinick. And a silver rookies, Spencer Knight. It's a nice looking card. And Ice Battles, Joel Farabee. Silver script, Jonathan Huberdeau. Has had a really rough start to his Flames career, but he's rebounded a bit lately. And Ice Battles of Elias Pettersson. Okay, and a Heart Attack Gold of Patrick Kane. And an Ice Battles of Rasmus Dahlin. An MVP watch of Phil Kessel. And Ice Battles of Josh Norris. And a before and after of Artemi Panarin. And a blue Ice Battles of Jacob Bernard Docker. Rookies of David Ferentz. And a Heart Attack of Artemi Panarin. Back-to-back inserts for Panarin. And another blue Ice Battles, this one, Alex DeBrincat. The Rookies of Jeremy Swayman. Heart Attack, Braden Point. And another blue Ice Battles, Mark Scheifele. Believe we're about halfway through. Rookies, Alex Bear-Boulay. Have a silver script of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. And Ice Battles, Alex Killorn. And our first mascot card, Louis. Should be expecting 5, so we'll get a few more of those before. And Ice Battles, Darnell Nurse. Okay, Mick E. Moose for the Winnipeg Jets. And Adam Henrique, Ice Battles. Al the Octopus, Red Wings. And Ice Battles, Jonathan Marchessault. Before and after, Brent Burns. And the blue Ice Battles of Cole Caulfield. Okay, 4 packs left. I think we're still waiting for a hit card here. Let's see if we get it. Oh, we got something. All right, I'm going to push that to the back. Okay, we got something here. You know what? I'm going to save that to the end. I'm going to be one of those guys. So it's definitely a card we have not gotten in any of our videos yet. Okay. Okay, we got High Series, Jason Robertson. And the Silver Script, Mika Zibanejad. And an Ice Battles of Oliver Bjorkstrand. Now on the Kraken. High Series, Steven Stamkos. And Nash for the Predators. This is the parallel. And Ice Battles, Mark Stone. We got Rookies, Jacob Bryson. And Harvey the Hound for the Flames. And Ice Battles, Philip Zadina. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is going to be the hit of our 3 boxes. All right, let's see. Ice Battles JVR. Okay, let's see if I can slow reveal this. Patrice Bergeron. Wow, this is a cool card. At a 250. I believe this is a Colors and Contours. So definitely the hit of our 3 videos. Patrice Bergeron, number 20 out of 250. Okay, I'm just going to do a quick recap of what we pulled in that 3-part series. My favorite cards that we got. So let's start with just my PC, Sidney Crosby Ice Battles. Then we got a high series of Cale Makar and a silver script of Cale Makar. Okay, and then we got a 20th anniversary MVP Watch Gold. This is 1 in 36 packs. We got this from our second box. Not numbered, but a parallel. And our first numbered card, 20th anniversary Travis Konecny out of 25. Number 13 out of 25. This is a superscript. And our hit of all 3 boxes, Colors and Contours Gold out of 250, Mr. Patrice Bergeron. Let me know how you think I did. Should I get MVP again? What did you think? All right, thanks for watching.